Hey guys, we're in it after Jolts happened today at 10:10 a.m. on a Tuesday. After Jolts, I decided to wait after Jolts because I didn't really want to get into anything. So, good morning, guys. Good morning. We're still gonna look at the charts here, see what we got at the moment. But yeah, I waited till after Jolts to get into the market and see what's going on. I did look at the market though. I did look at the overall market to see beforehand to see what's going on before Jolts and during it, but right now I'm liking Nvidia here. I'm liking Nvidia here for longs at 184. I'm gonna get filled here on Nvidia actually. It's high risk here. This is like really quick off the trade. I didn't really think I was gonna get in. I didn't think I was gonna get that push up, but getting filled on Nvidia. As I said, wait until after news and then you start seeing what the market's actually gonna fucking do, right? So I waited after news. I saw this setup here on Nvidia. I'm like, I could get in pretty quickly here. So we'll see what happens. This break of 184. Can we get it? Can we get it? This is my entry here, guys. This little break. I want to see us get to highs, past the highs. And now we're getting at these lows here. This candle. I want to see us get to 186, ideally. Alright. Can the market give us such? Because while we take this from there, let's look at SPY. SPY is my other setup that I have, and we're nearing it, right? So off Jolts, before Jolts, I wasn't really getting into anything, like I said, but at the end of the day, I like SPY for shorts here below 662s. That was my zone here, and if we can break down 662s, I'd get into shorts here. So I'm gonna get my shorts ready on SPY as well if we can break down here. But I like Nvidia for longs here. So at the end of the day, if Nvidia doesn't work, SPY will work. That's all I know. But it has to get. Nvidia is gonna be difficult because it has to get above the highs here at 185. Has to get above those highs. So we're in a critical level here. The thing with Nvidia is it's not a heavy level. It's just everyone's watching Nvidia level at 184. That's the thing. Everyone's watching 184, 185. That's why we got to be careful. Contracts, we're break even at that moment, as you can see, but we're a little bit in profit. But I'm holding until we get above 185. Like that's the thing. We have to get above 185 for buyers to start showing up. Which means I need SPY to start picking up as well above VWAP. And I need VIX to start picking up as well. Start selling off. I don't think we can get this. Good trade though. Make a good trade out of this. Come on. Break VWAP SPY. Break fucking VWAP. Because we're break even right now. No, I would have 184 as risk probably here, but I don't care. I'm using my normal stop here at 183.2. Like I'm being aggressive in this trade. This is an aggressive ticker at the moment. You gotta be aggressive if you're gonna trade it. Looking good though. Looking good. We're up in money. Break 185. We see this go to 186. Easy. Just like that. See, that's perfect. We're up about 10%. I'm gonna take a little off. Here at 10%. I just don't want to. It's a little bit off. I just don't want. I want to be a little, at least a little bit risk off here, just from seeing that. Just a little bit of exposure off. Want to be a little bit more risk off. I'm still in most. Now, you want to see like basically what I'm looking at here. If we break this 185, we'll see that big gamma move up, and you'll see it just go up. You see it just explode up to 186. I don't know how high we will go there, but I think 186 is the level we might reject off of. Nice job. We're about 13% here. We just gotta break. Break 185. This looks good. SPY is pushing up above VWAP. We look very good. FIX is selling off. This could be a perfect trade. Come on. NVIDIA is such a sweaty ticker name right now. I'm breaking up here. Oof. Still good though. We're holding 184. I need to see SPY start pushing up though. A little more to its supply level 664.5, 65. VIX is solid. It's just a waiting game, I think. I don't like waiting games. Don't sell off like that. Come on. We took some off though. We took some risk off, which is good, but I want more. We're still above. We held above what? 184. Candle closed above 184. Come on, boys. Get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up. Still holding. Still holding. Need to see more strength on the Nvidia side. Big candle up, but it still wasn't heavy, you know. And it had a massive move up. Very volatile during that candle still, but as you can see, the other candle kind of engulfed it a little bit. Which is why I didn't get into it at that moment. I need to see another push up. And I did. Now we have to see this, you know, this trade stick out. Got to see this move forward. It's all about waiting. It's all about the waiting game. SPY's above VWAP. VIX is starting to sell off. No, everything is showing that this is going to be a good trade. You just got to be patient. I think that's a lot of people's problems. They're not patient enough when it comes to trading. They want to see quick moves, and if they don't see it at the moment, they're going to get into something, and then that's when the quick move's going to come out. But then that's when that quick move's not going to go their direction. You know, so. And at the moment, like, we're still up. We're still in profit, but I need to see more. We're about 10% up. Hold it, because now we're still holding 180, 184, 185, like 184.7, 185. And we got to see us push up. Can't just keep wicking it. You know what? I'm going to raise my risk. I'm going to raise my risk a little bit. 180. 183.7. Have to, now that we took some risk off and I see some things not really going according to plan, I want to be a little bit more risk assessed. SPY's projecting higher band VWAP over and over again. I do not know, guys. I do not know. Gotta break out this range at some point on SPY. We're gonna break out 663.5s, or we're gonna break out 662s? That's the question. Like, do one of them. We can't just hover around VWAP the entire day. Or we could still, but like, fuck off. Just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. not cooked yet, boys. Not cooked yet, but we're just in this. We're just in just like purgatory. It's in the middle, just trying to figure out what we're gonna do on Spy, and we need to break something. Oh, Spy's starting to get to that point. Might just sell off here. We got some trims though. I'm gonna move my stop here to this low of the tick candle. Yeah, because if you don't get it, then I'm gonna conserve my profits here. Little wick is good. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they sell off like that? Not too bad. I'm consuming my profits here. Because if we get stopped out, we're still going to be, not too bad off. Still going to be in profit if we stop out. Since I moved my stop. That looks really good on Nvidia. I'm going to move my stop here to where I break even so we can conserve some more profits. I want to see this close very strong. Oh, nice. See, that's what I'm saying. You just hold and things start going your way. You just hold and things start going your way, boys. Hold and things start going your way. Now, if we wick this level again, I'm gonna get pissed off. Just break. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this in video. Just break. Break, bro. Just break. I can't do this with you, NVIDIA. I can't do this with you again. Don't do this to me, bro. Stop. 185 is just too big of a level, I think, if we don't break now. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. It's like, oh wow. I'm out. I'm not out. I took a trim. I took a big trim. Damn. Took a big trim. We're like 30% here. 30%. My guy. Nice. So this is all we wanted. This is all we wanted, guys. Look at NVIDIA, bro. . It's too good, bro. We're just too good, man. We're like 40% at the moment. Damn, we're 40% here. We still got a little bit more, and we'll take out. A little bit more, we'll take out. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more, and we're gonna be up 10K, bro. Come on. Don't do me like that. 186 is that level. 186 is that level. We're still good though. I'm moving my stop here. Moving my stop to 185. Still gonna be really in profit here, but still. So I'm telling you, bro, we held. We hold stops, we define risk, and this shit happens. Perfect. You know, we saw SPY, it wasn't going to give it to us, so we switched to NVIDIA. NVIDIA was good right off. Right when I came in here, I was like, NVIDIA's right at that moment. After news, everything's dying off, everything's good. NVIDIA broke 184 again, and I knew that was prime. Come on, just break. That's a very nice candle. Very nice candle. You gonna give it to us? You gonna give it to us? Man, did I really just put that take profit at a little tick before it gets me off? That would be insane. I barely do that. Come on. If that does happen, that's insane, because I barely do that. Like, I barely put my take profit like a little tick above when it starts coming out. I'm usually really good at that, so it's gonna start pissing me off. But I set it. That's my set. I need to take it off when it hits. So it better hit. Come on, boy. Come on. You better get up there. You best get up there. You best get up there. Come on. Oh, there you go. All out. All out. All out. All out. All out. 15K on the day, brother. 15K. Just like that. Just like that. See, I'm telling you, just hold. If it's not getting your stop, hold. Define your risk management by holding your stop, by being patient, and by following your rules. We said, literally, right off here, we said we had a... there we go. We had an entry right off here. This was after news too, okay? Because we were safe. We were safe this entire day. We just made 15 bands, all right? We were safe the entire day. I waited until Jolts ended, all right? I saw that NVIDIA did break up. It did break up here, but like during basically Jolts, so I didn't want to do anything at 10 a.m. Then we saw it completely engulf back up, so I was like, all right. SPY doesn't have me a setup at the moment, but NVIDIA does. If we can break up again 184, I know this is going to go. But we have to break above 185 for this to rocket past 186, 187. And what did it do? It did just that, all right? I didn't leave early. I didn't take my profits early. I waited until we got this exact setup, and I said, all right, this is my stop. If we get below that, I'm not going to get out. And then I took a little profit off, a little risk off here, you know? That's why I moved my stop up to just below the zone. And then I saw that we were doing pretty good. You know, we had a wick, so I saw, all right, I'm gonna get more risk off here and protect my my profits, so I'm going to put it right at break even on the rest of the runners. And then I thought to myself, all right, we broke 185. I'm going to take trims off there, okay? And then we just engulfed. This candle was huge, engulfed this candle. And so when we were right about 185.4, I said I'm going to move my stop to 185. And then I'm going to wait until we get profit 186, and it happened just like that. It was a perfect trade, guys. Really, there's nothing more perfect you can get about that, okay? Nothing more perfect. Maybe the entry a little bit better, since the entry was like around here. Could have gone a little better. But at the end of the day, perfect trade. 15 bands, good to start the day. I'm going to go work out, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Peace.